Greetings from this FKK Nudist beach in Piran, Slovenia. It was marked as that on Google Maps, and it is facing north, which means that there is not so much sun on the actual beach, but it is a bit secluded, at least parts of it, and we can see through to the top of Piran, where I was earlier today. The water, as stated in the board that I have seen, it says that the quality is 3 out of 3 stars, which is the best. And Slovenia is known for lots of nudist beaches, or as the Germans call FKK beaches. And this one is one of it, definitely. And it is 13th of October 2025. Currently 12:30, and I can only see a little bit glimpse of the sun here, as it is behind the mountain over here. And I'm gonna go along the coast later and visit many nudist beaches on the coast. Yeah, and I'm gonna end all the way on the west side that I'm seeing here, but it seems like it is very hard to reach for that. And we can see Italy, Trieste on the other side, where I started my journey 2 days ago. Actually in Sweden, but yeah, still. So this is how the beach looks like. It's quite interesting with lots of rocks. It really gives nudist beach vibes. And there are even some more secluded areas around the corner, but there was less sun over there. So I decided to show you on this side. So, nudist beach in Slovenia, FKK Strand, as they call it in Germany, as there are many German tourists here. Well, also people from Austria and Switzerland, and Italy as well, even Croatia. So, Piran is here, on this part of Slovenia, the northernmost city, and it's quite lovely. I was roaming around the city both yesterday during sunset and today during midday. And it was so lovely indeed. And I'm so eager to go into the water now, as it looks so amazing. We have 19 degrees Celsius in the air and 22 in the sea. And the Adriatic Sea is definitely delivering great weather. So, nudist beach adventure with Chris, the first one from Slovenia. I did one also from Croatia yesterday at Polynesia Beach. So at least if there is no sun on the beach during this autumn months, you can find it here, sun in the sea. So it is rocky, like most of the nudist beaches are. And yeah, let's then enjoy a nice swim at this nudist beach. I'm not sure how to call it, but I call it Kristalna voda, as it is mentioned on the board that I have seen, the information board. So yeah, it looks so lovely here, the coast in Slovenia, and I'm so happy to be going in for a swim once again after having a swim earlier today in Portorož, Centro na Plaž. So ready, set and go! Amazing, beautiful nudist beach spot here in Slovenia. Now, I guess in summer there will be a lot more sun when the sun is higher up, but in autumn it's mostly here in the sea, as you can see. Here along the coast there are a few nudist beaches that I'm going to visit today, as this is my day 2 out of 3 in Slovenia. And I'm staying in Portorož. I have visited Piran, and now I'm gonna go to Strand, as it is called. And tomorrow I'm gonna be visiting Isola and Koper also, before heading back to Italy. Enjoy this wonderful view from Kristalna voda, nudist beach. Yeah, that is a wrap for now. I'm gonna enjoy now a wonderful swim in the sea, Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!